Welcome to the heart of the operation, where massive machinery transforms raw copper into the wires that power our...
Check the tensile strength on this batch.
Looks good, but the last coil was off spec.
The giant melting furnace operates at extreme temperatures, transforming raw materials into the conduits of modern life.
The furnace reaches peak temperature, melting the copper at over 1,000 degrees Celsius. The molten copper flows at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, a critical stage in the creation of high-purity wire.
Check the temperature on the gauge now.
It's stable, maintaining current speed.
Utilizing advanced machinery, these rods are quickly transformed into the high-quality wire essential for modern industry.
Once the copper is cast, these massive robotic arms precisely transfer the glowing rods to the rolling machines for shaping.
The compression rate is holding steady. Good. Let's maintain this speed. Coil temperature is spiking again.
Reroute the coolant flow to line 3.
Check the tension on line 4. It's holding steady at 500. Keep it moving.
The copper is heated to extreme temperatures before being drawn through a series of steel dies.
Utilizing the latest in LED technology, this facility processes tons of copper daily, transforming molten.
The alignment looks good now, within tolerance.
Confirmed. Let's log it and check the next section.
Here at the heart of the factory, temperatures soar as the raw copper is refined and stretched into wire by these high-speed rollers.
The copper rods are stretched through a series of dies, increasing their length while reducing the diameter in the drawing stages.
Check the reading on that gauge. We're running hot. Confirmed. Spools are stabilized now.
Quality check on spool 4B is complete. Data logged. The diameter is within tolerance.
At the final drawing stage, the copper is stretched into the ultra-thin wires you see here, spinning onto spools at incredible speed.
Is the temperature holding steady at the annealing section?
Yes, Supervisor, holding at 700 degrees Celsius.
Push it through now. Clear on this side. Watch the tension on line 3. Acknowledged. Slowing the feed rate now. We need to increase the tension on line 3. All right, adjusting the feed rate now.
Water pressure is steady at 50 psi.
Temperatures are dropping as expected. Keep it moving.
The gauge is fluctuating on this batch.
All right, keep an eye on the cooling trough levels.
The tension on spool 12 is still too high.
I adjusted the feed rate. Let's check the specs now.
Looks good, within tolerance.
The alignment on unit 4 is drifting again.
Yeah, I see it. Adjust the tension rollers slightly.
Here in the heart of the factory, molten copper is drawn into rods, then rapidly cooled and coated in specialized plastics for distribution.
Insulation thickness is consistent at 4.2 millimeters.
Yeah. The readout confirms it. We are clear.
Check the tension on the spool. The drying speed seems off.
It looks fine on my side, but I'll adjust the flow rate.
We're running the new batch through the printer now.
Looks good, the markings are clear. See that slight abrasion there on the coil?
Yes, but it's superficial. The diameter is consistent.
Safety and precision are paramount here. These copper coils will soon power homes across the nation. Here at the plant, molten copper is drawn into rods, then coiled by robotic precision before being shipped worldwide.
Keep an eye on the feed rate. The tension is spiking again. All right, monitoring it closely.
Keep turning it. The alignment is almost perfect now.
All right, I think that's it. Check the readout.
Looks good. Let's start it up.
The molten copper, reaching temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, is rapidly drawn into thick wire.
From glowing molten vats to finished spools, this factory produces miles of copper wire daily, ready for packaging.
Secure that strap now. It's tight. Get ready for the next one.
This facility processes thousands of tons of copper daily, utilizing advanced robotics for efficiency and precision in the packaging stage. Inside the massive copper works, temperatures reach over 1,000 degrees as the raw material is transformed into miles of wire.
The tension on line 4 is fluctuating again.
Reroute it to the secondary spool, quickly.
We've got a backup on the conveyor. Slow the pour rate until it clears.
Deep within the heart of the factory, molten copper is drawn into miles of wire, powering the modern world.